As Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal continues to be behind bars facing a case and charges of corruption, his wife Sunita Kejriwal held a mega roadshow in West Delhi. These are the visuals coming in of Sunita Kejriwal. Remember, she's not contesting, she's not part of active electoral politics, but representing her husband and to ensure that his absence is not missed. Sunita Kejriwal taking to this election rally, and it's quite a support that is garnered from the party workers. Sunita Kejriwal there atop the vehicle with "Jail ka jawab vote se do" is the banner that has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party workers and supporters. This is Tilak Nagar in West Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party, remember, are in alliance with different seats, and that is what they have decided to divide their seats in West Delhi because they're now campaigning for the AAP candidate. Amit Bhardwaj joins me on the phone line for the latest on this. Amit, it's very interesting because while we've seen Sunita Kejriwal with her husband, with the Delhi CM often, we've never seen her in such an avatar where she's by herself with the namaste and of course appealing for votes. Do you think it's also this emotional messaging, a card that Aam Aadmi Party wants to put forth, that Arvind Kejriwal is behind bars, the wife is here?
True, Pooja. That's what we have been also reporting, ever since Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, that Sunita Kejriwal is going to play a crucial role in the Aam Aadmi Party's organizational as well as electoral campaign, so to speak, the electoral campaign, because she is the trump card, emotional trump card of the Aam Aadmi Party right now. And, we saw yesterday the kind of response that Sunita Kejriwal's rally had in East Delhi, where she was campaigning for Kuldeep Kumar. There was a massive turnout of people, and it's also, there's curiosity amongst the people to watch out as to who is Sunita Kejriwal, how she's taking forward the message of AAP Chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And today, similar visuals are coming up when she is campaigning for Mahabal Mishra. If we decode the body language, yes, she is giving out a very brief speech, appealing people to vote in favor of Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, and give a befitting response to the, to the fact that Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested. But she's also trying to fit into this new role which has propped up because of the situation. She's trying to get more comfortable when it comes to the public interaction.
Amit, because that will be the big factor.
Yes.
It's very unlikely that Arvind Kejriwal is getting out anytime soon. And the wife coming in and taking that, at least a face representing and showing that the absence is being felt of Arvind Kejriwal. Will they reach out? It's Kondli MLA Kuldeep Kumar, party's candidate from East Delhi, for example. She was here campaigning in West Delhi. Thank you very much for now. For the latest, Amit Bhardwaj telling us as different parts of Delhi where the AAP is currently campaigning for their candidates.